Hello, today we will guide you through how to stay available on Microsoft Teams all the time. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to manually change your status in Microsoft Teams so it appears as available. This can be helpful if your status is currently showing something else, like busy, and you want others to see that you're open and reachable. Keep in mind that Teams may still update your status automatically based on your activity, but this process shows you where to make the change yourself. To begin, open Microsoft Teams in your browser and go to the main Teams page. Once the page is loaded, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct screen and that your account is already signed in. If everything looks normal, you're ready to move on. Next, direct your attention to the top right area of the screen. This is where you'll usually find your profile icon or profile picture. In Microsoft Teams, this area gives you access to your account settings and status options. If you don't immediately notice it, look for a small circular icon, which may contain your initials or profile image. Once you've located that profile icon, click on it. This will open a menu with several account-related options. One of the most important sections in this menu is your current status, which controls how your availability appears to other people in Teams. If your current status is showing as busy, go ahead and click on Busy. This opens a list of available status choices. Teams includes several options here, and each one communicates a different level of availability to your coworkers or contacts. From that list, click on Available. As soon as you do this, your status should update to show that you are available. This lets others know that you're active and able to respond. If you want this to be as effective as possible, it's a good idea to stay active in Teams while you work, since inactivity can sometimes cause your status to change automatically after a period of time. So if you notice your status switching again later, you can return to the same profile menu and repeat the change. And that's all there is to it. By going to Microsoft Teams, opening your profile menu, selecting your current status, and switching it to Available, you can quickly control how your availability is displayed. Thanks for following along, and we hope this guide helps you manage your Teams status more easily.